Good morning, everyone. This is just 5 o'clock. I'm walking, going to the house of my friend. I'm in Rockwell right now. Here. It's nice and great to serve the Lord, and it has no time. If they need you early, you have to come early, and it's have a good feeling when you serve the Lord. Have a nice day, everyone. Dito ba yun? It's not. I made a mistake pa. Wrong. Naisip na. Parang naliligaw na ako.